Hi, this is part 5 of my restoration project on my Honda CB750 Custom. Taking it to Lightning Services, get Baz to sort it out. Well, there we go, in we go. That's Lightning Services. So he's whipped off the carbs. Some of them are polished up the tops. He's going to whip them off and I'll get some auto sol on them later. But they were pretty gunked up. Apparently it fired on cylinders 2 and 4. But 1 and 3 weren't firing, so have a closer investigation. There's the gap, throttle cables. This side hasn't received any auto sol treatment. The other side has. Stripped it all down. All the brakes are off. Get it to stop first, most important. Going to need some new tyres, front and back, since it hasn't driven since 2007, which is quite a few years now. We're going to go 5mm wider on each side on the back tyre. All the rubber and the grommets sort of perished. Here we go. So connecting the carbs to the bike engine, and these were all gone hard. Give them a good squeeze. It doesn't even give. It's sort of turned into wood almost. There's the brakes all rusted up. I'm glad they're off. Get some stopping power on that bike. I want to keep this bit. Try to keep the bike as original as possible. But these bits, these are far too gone to save. So yeah, we're going for new there. But that top cap, hopefully it will fit on the new one, or if not, I can take a high resolution photograph and have a sticker made up with that Japanese writing on there. There's a previous repair, bit of weld on the end, didn't look too good.